Every bird's destiny is death, but how many of us are ready to face it? It is not just about us. If we were to face the early demise of our loved ones, then that is even tougher. So if science was to find a way to make humans immortal, then won't you be in for it? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Stick till the end to know more about the ways that humans will become immortal by 2050. Immortality may be taboo now, but it was something that has been tried and tested by many scientists, just like the fable Frankenstein's monster. But hang on. Before we give you all you need to know about how to become immortal, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you, like what you see. Then also be sure to hit the bell icon while you are at it, to ensure that you are notified every time we come out with a fresh new piece of content for you. Let's get right onto it without any further ado. So, here are 10 ways that humans will become immortal by 2050. The very first science that was explored was the transfusions of regenerative blood. Are you shocked? But yes, it is proven that this type of transfusion will increase the longevity of humans by up to 10 to 20 years, thanks to the GDF11 protein. This is a possibility discovered by scientists when they found that this type of protein is higher in younger mice than in older mice. From this, it was understood that this type of protein is necessary to strengthen the muscles and develop the heart. Though shocking, maybe this type of transfusion is, without doubt, one of the confirmed methods to retain the life of humans, if not for long, at least for a while. Combining it with blood synthesis, the possibility could be increased even more. Next on our list is something you might have already heard pretty often: anti-aging supplements. Its sole purpose is to activate an anti-aging enzyme, so that means it will also increase your lifespan by at least 15%. You might have heard of Elysium, and as the name goes, this pharmaceutical company found a way to increase your longevity by secreting anti-aging enzymes in your body. Hard to believe, but you got to, because such an important discovery was made after 25 years of research. It has completed the animal trials, and right now it is undergoing human trials, so cross your fingers. You might take a pill to increase your life by a couple of years in the future. Guess what? You can consume robots in the future to heal your body. Confused with this statement? We just meant that the nanobots can be consumed as alcoholic capsules in the future, and your body can undergo treatment or healing instead of any invasive surgery. These tiny minuscules will aim at the ailment directly, and the remedy will be provided without damaging any other part of your body. What it does is, it will enter your body and detect the ailment and use your inherent enzymes to convert them into proteins that will end up curing the problem. By 2050, there might not be any pharmaceutical companies, because these nanobots will enter and leave in your body, destroying anything that tends to destroy your body. So you can say goodbye to drugs. Imagine never having to fall sick and never having to take medicines. Amazing, right? But now pops up the question. Yes, we might never fall sick, but that does not make me immortal. Yes, that is research that is still on the go. And as we already know, nanotechnology is performing amazingly in today's world. So without any doubt, you can expect a solution for longevity from nanobots for sure in 2050. Do you love online games? And do you enjoy the life of an avatar rather than your own? Well, there have been so many attempts in transferring our mind or soul into the androids, and that is a way to increase our lifespan, as our body might age, but androids don't. So existing in the body of androids will make you immortal. How are the scientists attempting to do this? They are trying to unlock the many layers of the brain to upload your mind into a computer, and yes, it is under the trial stage, but it has been proved that it is achievable. Though conceivable, the difficulty that stands out is that the brain is too complex, and transferring the entire information from the brain to an android is quite a lengthy process. However, many argue that though thoughts and information could be transmitted, yet the emotions are what make us human, and there is yet a way to be found to transfer the emotions as well. We just got to wait and watch. Yet another way to expand your life would be to tweak your longevity genes. It is proven that ISW2 protein gene therapy and yeast have been involved in this gene tweaking research. This research also involved the study of 152 Spaniards and 752 Japanese genes, as they shared numerous variants in their genes. If this research proves them right, then the scientists will have a way to just tweak our genes to increase our longevity by at least 25%. Next on our list is something you might have watched in science fiction movies. An antagonist unable to bear the demise of the loved one would end up freezing up the body, as the person is unwilling to let them go literally. This method is called cryonics, and scientists are working on a way to maintain the body in very low temperatures so that the disease that is killing them currently can be resolved in the future when the remedy is discovered. This way the body can be kept alive for decades and even centuries. In 1972, Alker Company was requesting people to volunteer for their experiment, and in case something does go wrong, the company had promised to intervene and save your life before it was too late. About 20 people have volunteered to be frozen right after their death in the cryonics in Michigan. By 2018, 160 patients have been frozen in the liquid nitrogen, and currently, patients are no longer frozen. Instead, they are vitrified. What happens is first your body is immersed completely in an ice bath. Later, your body is pumped with ice-resistant compounds which take the place of water in your blood. So when your body reaches a temperature below freezing point using the nitrogen gas, then this method will preserve your body without causing any further damage to your body. Have you come across the term telomerase? This is an expression in your gene which could be modified using gene therapy, and this modification will increase your lifespan by 25%. It is proven by the longevity of the mice in 2012. The experiment was conducted both on young as well as elderly mice, and it is proven that the younger mice lived 24% longer, while the elderly lived 13% longer. This experiment proved that age-related disorders could be avoided by replacing the virus genes with the telomerase genes. So instead of affecting you with a disease, this gene will play an important role in rejuvenation. Chromosomes in your body play a vital role in aging, and this biological clocking ticking will be controlled by the telomerase, thus you need not have the fear of facing death any sooner. Organ failures are one more cause of majority deaths, but scientists have come up with a solution for this as well. 3D printed organs will replace any body part of yours that has been affected beyond repair. A cornea replacement has been successfully achieved, so next on the line is the heart replacement. Breakthroughs in 3D printed organs have been viewed by the public as a relief, as organ transplantation is not only expensive but also less availability has led to deaths. It's such an evolving technology can be used in heart transplantation that human beings' life could be expanded even further, say decades. In case this does not work out, we still have organ cloning. Yes, cloning of animals has already been achieved, so the next step in cloning organs was pursued without any delay, and today scientists have cloned many body components, which include ears, bones, and even skin. So without any further delay, scientists got into cloning other important body parts, such as the heart, and thanks to their perseverance, someday we will live a healthy long life. This may be the last, but it is something that won't surprise you, as many movies are based on this concept: artificial intelligence. We can implant tiny robots that are connected to cloud-based networks. We would be able to augment the human brains. Don't you feel godlike just hearing these words? Many fundings are placed for universities and research works for discovering a way to replace the actual individuals with AI. We are on our way to discovering immortality. Once achieved, a human being's power will know no bounds. How is that kind of world going to be in 2050? Do you want to live forever? Hit the like button if you agree with the 10 ways humans will become immortal by 2050. If you don't agree, then share your comments below, and we will get back to you with more interesting videos in the future. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the updates. Show us your love by subscribing to us. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.